Yo, new update. Quality of life update in Blue Lock, as well as some other changes. We probably will get some reworks as well, or a new character. Look, this is probably the new character. I know this guy. This is the HIORI. Yo, it is HIORI. Everybody knows him. I mean, I just read the name on the back of the t-shirt, but anyways, we got all the new working codes in the Blue Locks update, and into this video, I'll be going over and actually redeeming every single one of these codes. Be sure to subscribe and like. We got a new summer experience right now. If you want to get yourself an extra slot right now, type in the secret word summer. So 3 people will actually win themselves a extra slot by typing in summer in the comments down below. And I know what you think. It's all useless. But anyways, scroll down. Click on the like button and click on the subscribe button and comment the secret word to get extra lucky, okay? Extra lucky. Right now, the first code that you actually want to redeem in this brand new update, it is very simple. Hours. It's the hours code. Hours, exclamation point. 4 hours. 4 hours. As you guys can see, this is literally the code. 4 hours. Make sure you guys redeem 4 hours. Do not miss out on any other codes in today's video, because you can actually redeem yourself a bunch of free lucky spins as well as cash. The next code is new cham 1.1 million exclamation point. New cham 1.1 million exclamation point. Also, boys, if you didn't already follow the event, follow the event on Blue Lock website. On the Blue Lock website, follow the event, because you actually want to follow the event on the Roblox page. Follow the event on the Roblox Blue Locks page. So if you follow the page, we will get another code. We will actually get another code. The next code is summer. Now summer exclamation point. Do not miss out on any of these future codes. Be subscribed, be liked, and also you can actually get yourself a free slot by commenting the secret word. I'll be gifting 3 of these slots to you guys, so you can actually have yourself multiple slots in Blue Locks.